Yeah, so my dad just left, and he left this whole puddle of water over here.
So, last night, we had fun for Thanksgiving, and then he had a beer on his truck, and
Really? I didn't notice.
I noticed, but I didn't want to tell it because I know it's going to be super cool. Alright, step on it, step on it.
Y'all, look at this thing.
It looks like a puddle.
It looks like a misty waterfall, except it's a puddle. It looks like a misty puddle.
Look, y'all. We need to get a tiny rock.
Yo, my butt is wet from sitting on this wet truck.
What red truck?
Daddy's wet truck. Anyways, guys, that's all for right now.
Wait, let's show him. Let's show him something.
Okay.
You see that, y'all?
Yeah, it became more mistier.
Look.
Yeah. Dang, y'all, my dad left a bunch of water. And it wasn't even leaking what he had pulled out. Oh my God. This dude right here. Oh my God.
That was literally like the satisfying thing I ever heard.
Wait, can I do it? Can I do it? Ooh. Okay,
Bye, guys.
That's all for today. Bye-bye.